communication tools in Syncompass will allow you to keep track of all correspondence, maintain all the information for your client in one place, and manage your firm's branding and customization. There are 5 different types of communications in Syncompass: email, text message, automated phone call, letter, and fax. The first thing to note when sending communications is to ensure you have valid communication details and preferences selected for your contacts. For example, if you want to send a text message to this contact, they must have a mobile number entered and have it selected next to SMS under Communication Preferences. You can also block users from sending communications. For text message and auto call, hover over the setting and select Do Not SMS or Do Not Call. For email, letter, and fax, if you don't want those sent to contacts, simply select None in the Preferences. Now you can move on to sending communications. Let's start with an email. Under Manage Matter, select Activities. Click Create New Communication and select Email. Here you can see the contact has been pre-selected in the To field. You can CC or BCC additional recipients to this email, such as other contacts or users. You can also attach files here if the document is already stored in Syncompass. Note that upon opening a communication, the client contact and matter are pre-selected next to Regarding. This is the system's way of saying this communication is being sent regarding this matter and this client contact. Syncompass will then store a copy of this email in the activity log of the contact and matter. This is the same when sending any other communication. At this point, you can manually draft the subject and body of the email or use one of the pre-created templates. Even after selecting a template, you may edit the content. When you are finished drafting the communication, click Preview before sending. If you are pleased with the draft, click Send. Please note, if a contact does reply to your email, it will go to your primary email inbox associated with your user account. Next, we will cover sending an SMS text message. Similar to an email, you can select a template or manually draft your text message. In addition to editing the template, you can also add keywords. Using keywords in your communication enables Syncompass to pre-populate certain fields such as name, phone number, address, etc. When you are pleased with your draft, click Preview and then Send. Please be aware that if a contact tries to reply to a text message, they will be sent a return message that informs them to instead call your firm directly. For the purposes of this demonstration, we will skip the letter and fax. Both of these communications look very similar to preparing an email. Last, we will cover AutoCall. An AutoCall is an automated phone call that is sent to your client's phone. They will listen to the recorded message upon answering or through voicemail. If the contact needs to get in touch with your firm, they can dial 0 at any time and be redirected to your firm's phone number. One item to note with the AutoCall. There are 2 sections for content. Answered call content is what plays if the contact answers the phone call, and voicemail content is what plays if the call goes to voicemail. These 2 areas of content can be the same or different based upon your preferences. When you are pleased with your draft, click Preview and then Send. Syncompass will automatically keep track of all the sent communications to your client here in the activity log. For more information about automating some of our communications, please see one of our additional videos.